Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, rúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. When Meyi received ÓSÁNYìn on a journey. Story. There was an Awó named Ajoji who wished to change his position because he was experiencing hardship. The Awó consulted his Ifa and saw this Odu. Ifa told him that great prospects awaited him, but they were in another land. He was instructed to perform Igbo. After making the Igbo, Awó Ajoji left his homeland and traveled to Benin, searching for a suitable place to practice the art of Ifa divination. Upon entering that land, he learned that the Oba, king, had died. It was customary there to distribute the royal ornaments and attributes among foreigners upon the king's passing. When Awó Ajoji arrived in the town, the Babalawos of Benin had already performed atuto, funeral rites, and were distributing the royal ornaments. As a newly arrived foreigner, he was given the deity of ÓSÁNYìn, which had belonged to the king. After taking possession of this deity, Awó Ajoji decided to return to his homeland. Upon his return, he began singing praises to his Ifa. Awó dere owo wenire, enikan ni omoren arokore, Ifa odara mi. Additionally, he organized a feast for all the Awós in his land and held a Bíàrin, a ceremony of dance and chants, in honor of rúnmìlà. All the Awós danced and sang to Ifa. In this way, he overcame the obstacles that had made his homeland inhospitable and unpleasant. Note: this Odu signifies a journey for a change in position or improvement in fortune. Whenever this Odu is seen, a white dove is offered to Sun, and the aforementioned Suyere is chanted.